Junagadh, a city in the western Indian state of the Gujarat, nearly 200 kilometers away from the border with Pakistan, got many Indian poor knowledge and background history of the area when Pakistan government announced new political maps recently, which included the former princely territory of 160 km square area ruled by the Muslim Babi dynasty in British India. Jinnah's queen, king, and pawns theory were well explained by then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Defence Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, where Jinnah eyed king means Hyderabad, queen means Kashmir, and the pawn means the Junagadh as areas which will expand further expansion of Pakistan over what was already agreed as per the partition terms. Many years later, Junagadh and Hyderabad continued to be showcased in Pakistan's political map, and somewhere in the mid 70s, Pakistan quietly gave up claims on the former princely state after devastating defeat in 71 war. Former princely state of Hyderabad, which was the heart of India, while political maps still carried Junagadh, but since it was missing from the administrative map of Pakistan, not many Indians knew about it. Inclusions of the Junagadh, now Indian side of the Jammu and Kashmir, in the new political map of Pakistan also confirms what many Indians and their liberal mindset have been trying to ignore while advocating for talks with Pakistan to settle the Kashmir issue with them, is that Kashmir settlement alone will not stop Pakistan's ambitious thought process to grab more of Indian land. It actually will further harden their stand to use proxies to further weaken Indian Republic to break and make more mini Pakistan inside India, which is already happening due to the demographic change in parts of the Kerala and West Bengal.